Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to create glassmorphism in Figma. So let's get right into it. So first off, let's change our design board right here to, let's say, blue. Something that would be much noticeable. Actually, let's go with purple because that looks great already. And then from here, we want to add another layer. Let's add a shape. So let's go with eclipse right here. This is just to emphasize what we will be making in a few. So add a shape right here. Let's color it, let's say dark blue to match the theme. Then add another shape there. Let's color this again, an even darker blue, like that. And then for the glass morphism, actually, let's add more here at the top. Go. There we go. And then change color as well. Let's see, a little bit lighter, like so. And then now for glass morphism, we want to select either a rectangle or a star. So basically whatever color you want to use. And then from here, we want to change color of this. Just match the tone like so. And then basically to make it look like a glass, hence the name glassmorphism, you just want to reduce the opacity on the shape. So here, click on mirroring, mirror angle, then the opacity. Just lower it down a bit to, let's say, 50%. Automatically, that's what happens. So let's try 70% right there. Add some effects to it. Drop like shadow or layer blur. And background blur or inner shadow or a drop shadow. Just like that. Some would round up the corners here, but that basically it depends on your preferences. So depending on how you would want it to look like, you can add other things here as well. You can add more effects, for example, a layer blur, and then add more to make it look like glass, like this and that. And yeah, that's it. So basically for glassmorphism, it depends more on the opacity of the object that you're going to be using for your design. So as long as you lower down the opacity, add some effects, drop a shadow, inner shadow, blur it, it will create that glass effect because you can see the inside of or the des- design at the back of the main object. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.